Welcome back to the All Natural Way channel. Today, we're exploring a spice that's often found in our kitchens but is also packed with incredible health benefits, cloves. So, let's dive into the top 10 health benefits of cloves, what they are, how they work, and their best uses. 1. What are cloves? First, let's talk about what cloves actually are. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. Known for their strong, warm flavor and aroma, they've been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. But these tiny buds are more than just a flavorful spice, they're also a powerhouse of health benefits. 2. Antioxidant properties. One of the most notable benefits of cloves is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which has been shown to neutralize free radicals and protect your cells. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves have strong anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol in cloves helps reduce inflammation in the body, making them beneficial for conditions like arthritis. By including cloves in your diet, you may help alleviate pain and inflammation naturally. 4. Oral health benefits. Another great benefit of cloves is their positive impact on oral health. Cloves have natural antimicrobial properties, making them effective against bacteria that cause dental issues such as cavities and gum disease. Clove oil is often used in dental products for its ability to numb pain and reduce inflammation. 5. Digestive aid. Cloves are excellent for digestive health. They can help alleviate issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Clove tea is a popular remedy for digestive discomfort, as it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and promotes better gut health. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Research has shown that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels. They may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels. This makes cloves a great addition for those looking to manage diabetes or maintain stable blood sugar levels. 7. Immune system support. Cloves can give your immune system a boost. Their antimicrobial properties help fight infections and illnesses. Regularly consuming cloves may enhance your body's ability to fend off colds, flu, and other infections. 8. Respiratory health. If you're dealing with respiratory issues, cloves can be beneficial. They help alleviate coughs and congestion due to their expectorant properties. Clove oil can be inhaled or added to a diffuser to promote easier breathing. 9. Skin health. Cloves can also be beneficial for your skin. Their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help treat acne and other skin irritations. However, it's important to use diluted clove oil on the skin to avoid irritation. 10. Pros and cons of cloves. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using cloves. Pros: rich in antioxidants. Strong anti-inflammatory effects. Supports oral health. Aids digestion. Regulates blood sugar. Boosts immune function. Promotes respiratory health. Beneficial for skin conditions. Cons: high doses of clove oil can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. Excessive consumption may lead to gastrointestinal issues like nausea. Clove oil should be used with caution and diluted properly for topical use. Summary: incorporating cloves into your diet can be a delicious and healthful choice. From enhancing your culinary creations to providing numerous health benefits, this powerful spice deserves a place in your pantry. Remember to use cloves in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns, especially if you're pregnant or nursing. Click the link below for more health tips. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to All Natural Way for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.